Who said inbreeding? Alright, y'all. You know what to do. Y'all know what to do.
Yeah, we each man for himself, and then we abandon everyone, and we don't do teaming at all.
Yeah, fuck everybody.
We let one person live.
All the time. Limping, what's happening?
Oh fuck. Oh fuck.
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 Oh, you're fucking joking. You're fucking
Oh
joking.
fuck. They're all outside. Who's running outside? You're being chased.
I'm aware.
Vanta, run!
Fuck, fuck.
Run, Venta, run!
There's nothing I can do. Fuck, dude.
Oh shit!
Someone just died. Venta!
Oh my
Wait.
fucking god. I just went back into the basement.
I did too. Oh, there's Grandpa. Shit, I can't go through there. He's gonna see me. Oh fuck.
Oh
What the
my.
fuck is this?
I'm clenching ass cheeks. Wait,
Bro, this
you
game
died?
I fucking died, yeah. Who is this?
I made it out!
You made it out, you fucking bitch.
Yeah, I did.
Wait, what? How?
How
Where'd you
did you make it
go?
out?
Front yard.
Oh, I see it. Oh fuck.
Yeah, good luck. Go around the stairs. You should find like something.
Right here?
Yeah. Don't run into that.
Oh
Okay,
fuck,
go.
I couldn't. Okay.
Go. Yeah. That way. It's free. It's free, Finana.
This
It's free. Yes. On your
Holy
right.
shit.
Oh fuck.
Holy shit. Oh fuck.
Oh fuck.
Run, fish, run.
No, he doesn't know.
Wait.
He doesn't know. He didn't see you. It's open, by the way. It's literally
Where?
open. On your right. The green thing. Right there.
Wait, that?
Go! Yes, that! Yeah, you just run! Just go! Go!
Holy shit.
It
No
requires an unlock tool!
Oh.
Wait, the cook is slow. The cook is slow. He's cooking.
He's slow.
Goodbye.
Baited.
What are you doing? What the fuck?
Oh fuck, they
No
see where I
fucking
am!
way.
I thought you died.
Wilson,
No.
you just fucking baited.
Listen, I unlocked it. I did not know they could just relock it.
No, you need a lock for it. I think they
but I
closed
did
it.
unlock it.
No, I think they closed it. That might have been why.
Yeah. Yeah, heal up.
I should have taken a lockpick tool. Shit. I should have known, but they were also camping it still anyway.
Yeah, I don't know how they figured out it was that one that I took. Did anybody else, there's another Meg there. Did anybody else open anything else to escape?
No, I don't think so. Well, round 2, guys. I know how to get from here, though.
Oh, the other 2 were killed.
Uh...
Okay. Yeah, stay still. I'm sure they're like, where the fuck is Fish?
Oh, shit.
Oh, fuck.
No way.
IPN! No way!
He's actually blind as a bat.
No way.
Oh, please.
Oh, shit! Don't move. He's like, I swear I heard some people laughing at me.
Oh no! Why is
What?
he there?
What is he doing?
Does he know?
The cook
No,
has
no,
a
no,
he has
no.
an
I don't
ability.
No,
He has like a
no.
hearing ability.
Oh no, fish.
Oh, they didn't see you.
No way they didn't see you.
I think Johnny saw you. Oh, fuck.
No, my fucking god. Maybe you should.
Oh shit!
Oh fuck! Oh
Hide
fuck!
somewhere,
Oh
hide
fuck! Oh fuck! Oh
somewhere.
fuck!
Anywhere.
This is
Oh, that's
fucking
locked.
hilarious.
That would be locked.
No fucking way.
Oh shit.
Maybe.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god. This is
my
like
goodness.
an actual nightmare.
No.
What the fuck is happening, guys?
The way this is
Yo.
fucking. You're wasting so much of their time. Don't worry, their mental is just.
Wait, you're actually really good. 1v3.
Yeah, you're actually fighting them right now.
Yeah,
Look at
run,
this
run,
fucking
run.
little
Run,
house.
run, run,
It's
run.
fucking there.
They don't know how to get you.
She's right behind you, Fish. She's right
I
behind you.
know! Wait, this is
Wait.
actually... Oh, I fell.
Oh,
It's over.
That's fine. That's fine. You just need to find a toolkit, right?
I guess.
Where's the trapdoor? Wait, you lost them again?
Oh my god, I found a
Toolbox.
toolkit.
Nice. Let's go.
But I need another one too. Oh shit.
What? Why do you need another one?
Because to unlock
Wait.
that door and then to unlock the exit.
Wait, did they lock 2 doors?
No. Leatherface opened up a door, didn't he? To get into you?
Okay. Wait, did you
Still
get
on
the
the other
valve?
I do, but I don't think that I have time for that because it's downstairs.
Well, I think you're good.
It's fine.
Okay, you're fine.
That's crazy.
Okay,
She's
don't move.
actually final girl.
You're actually doing so good though.
I want to
final
cry
They are
and die
struggling
already.
so hard to. They are struggling so hard to kill you.
Why won't they leave me alone?
I need to find a door.
Now, they wouldn't just camp the gate, right?
I can't get away.
They wouldn't just camp the gate outside, would they?
Yes, they would.
Yeah, of course they would.
Finally.
I mean, there's another exit, no?
Yeah.
There's no way. There's no fucking way.
I see you. I see IPN.
I can't. IPN's goofy ass run sends me screaming. It's so fucking dumb looking. It's so fucking.
There's no way. There's no fucking way. There's absolutely no way. You're
No, I don't fucking
You're not that good.
I can't fucking.
They're paid actors. They can't. They aren't real.
No way.
There's no way.
No
No
fucking
fucking way.
shot.
No fucking way.
Absolutely not.
You don't get detected. You're good.
Absolutely
fucking
not.
Fish, you're so
way.
fucking grass.
You're
No
insane.
fucking
You're
way.
so
Go.
crass. You're
You're out.
crazy.
You're out.
So
Oh my god.
holy shit. Fish,
Oh
that's
my God.
on.
I was...
knew it.
Oh, you fucking mess. That's so crazy.
At one point, I just ran in circles because, like, you gotta feed a grandpa. I was like, where the
I
fuck is the
peed.
grandpa?
So
Actually,
confusing.
I
Holy
did. I was in
shit.
the bush and you ran into me, but you didn't realize you got collision.
When? I did that,
Who
when?
was
I
it?
feel like I did that all the time in every bush.
You went into a bush and you hit me, but you thought I was a rock, so you kept going.
Hey, play something.
Okay, I'm working on it. I think this one's my favorite.